What's going, guys? Bob, I got your amp here fixed. Replaced the two pills, changed some things up. Anyway, got your amp in standby. We're going to use the 350 Cobra 29 5-watt Slogan reverse. Show you what we're putting in for dead key. Say 2 watts.
Audio test 1 2 1 2.
About 45 going in. Pass-through tune.
Audio.
Turn your amp on. Input tune.
Audio test 1 2 1 2.
Let me turn this talk back off. Show you what we're doing. Audio 307. Audio. I changed your fan covers. That salt water really took a toll on them. But anyway, if you just take these screws out, these guards will come off. I don't know if you want to get some covers. I don't have any. Some filters and put on there. But anyway, Bob, thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. Later. Oh, and that was with the variable wide open. Later, guys.